Hey guys, what's up? Today I have a tutorial for you guys on this bronzy look that I'm going on, and I absolutely love it. I think it really makes the eye pop, and I wanted to play with colors that are easily available, and everybody has them in their collection. So yeah, please keep on watching and like, comment, and share. Woohoo! I primed my face, my lids, then I went into my Morphe 35O, got this shade on my fluffy brush, and then I straight away went into my crease, and then I started blending it real nice. Then I got an even fluffier brush and I mixed these two shades, and then I basically just went all over my lid and nicely covered it, and I didn't make it too dark. Then I went into these two shades. I basically got the lighter shade first and started making my edges, and then I went into the darker brown and started deepening and defining my corners further. जो भी थोड़ा बहुत नीचे लग जाता है, it's okay, we can clean it up in the end, and we will blend all of this out, don't worry. I went in with the same brush that I used on my lid before, and I reapplied the same shade also because it was a little darker than I wanted it to be, and so that's why I lightened it a little bit. After that, I went into my brow bone. I got the shimmery shade and I started applying from the arch of my brow, so that's where the most product goes. So then I got this copper pigment on my finger and applied it with my finger directly, and you can see how that instantly gives like a really nice look. Then I blended everything out. After that, I got this bronzy kind of a pigment, and I applied it towards the inner corner of my eye, not at the inner corner but on my lid, towards that side, and yeah, just to darken it up a little bit because that's how I wanted it. Then I went in with this Rewaj ka pigment, and I basically just got a little bit on my pinky finger because I wanted like the thicker specks of the glitter or the pigment, and I just tapped it lightly because if I would have pressed it, though, it would have given a different result, which I did not want right now. But yeah, this is gold. Everybody needs to buy this. Then I went into my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I got this dark purpley shade, and then I just applied it where I would apply my eyeliner, just to darken that area a little bit. Then I went in with this black eye pencil and I just tightlined my eyes. For my inner corner, I went into this shade. I really like it. It has like specks of pink in it, so it looks really, really beautiful. Then with the same two shades that I applied on my lid, I go into my lower lash line. I only applied it like on 2/3 of my lash line, I guess. I didn't go towards the inner corner because that makes the eye look smaller. Then I got my brush, my fluffy brush, just so I went into my crease and with no product at all, and I just blended everything together. Then I curled my lashes and applied my mascara. Then I got a wipe. I cleaned up the edges and the fallout, and then somebody made an appearance. Say hi. Hi. Then I went in with my dampened beauty blender and my foundation. I got some product at the back of my hand and I picked it up, and then I started applying it directly with my beauty blender. And yes, please do not forget your neck and your ears when you are applying your foundation. Then I went in with my hula and I first applied it with my brush and blended it out with my beauty blender. here I'm showing you that you should always blend your contour upwards, because that's the whole point, and that's what's gonna make your cheekbones look on point, I guess. I grabbed my concealer and applied it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and wherever I wanted to highlight and conceal. Then I went in with this pressed powder by Makeup Forever in translucent, and I just applied it to set my concealer, and you can see how it smoothens everything out instantly, and I absolutely love it. What are you doing?
Taking all brushes.
Why are you taking all my brushes?
I'm doing Daddy finger brush. Where are you?
Applied my blush with my brush and then blended it out with my beauty blender. After that, I applied my face powder, lightly tapped it on my face, and then I went in with my setting mist and sprayed that all over my face, and then I instantly applied my highlighter to, you know, make it pop. After that, I just started defining the shape of my lips, and I did not overdraw my lips extensively because I don't personally enjoy that. And then I applied my lipstick, and after applying my main lipstick, I just went in with the lighter nude shade and applied it in the middle and tapped it out and blended it with my finger. And just like that, we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and it was easy to follow through. Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Say bye guys.
Bye.